Hi, 3C. I really miss you guys, and it's been hard, I know, not being in class for the last couple of days. And I just wanted to show face and explain a couple of things because I noticed that not a lot of you guys are submitting assignments. So I just wanted to share with you guys how you can do that a little bit easier. And so this is for Tuesday, November 19th. If you have not done today's assignment, please go ahead and look at that. Or go ahead and just look at this particular page because everything's the same except for math. And so I have a little note for you here. And for reading, you should be reading 20 to 30 minutes of a Within Reach book. And if you did not bring a Within Reach book home and it's in your book box, go ahead and try Raz-Kids. And it is within your leveled reading. I just want to make sure you guys are getting enough practice with a book that you guys are challenged by, but that isn't too difficult for you. Also, you guys can go to the articles in Cobra using this template for boxes and bullets to show that you do know how to pull main ideas and supporting details. Going back here, I guess I don't know if I shared with you guys the articles about cobras. So maybe I need to post that down here. So actually I'll be posting that right down here. For writing, we're just going to be introducing persuasive writing through this first assignment, bold and brave opinions using reasons and supporting detail on what is your opinion about home learning versus traditional school classrooms. Make sure you give evidence and details that support your position. And here are some sentence starters that can help you write that. If we have another school suspension day on Thursday or another one later this week, I'm going to show you guys how to do a Flipgrid so we can share those writing pieces as a class. But just work on writing that today and tomorrow. For math, by now you should have created a Khan Academy. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of you guys registered in my class. I think only 8 of you guys have joined this class, and so you need to make sure you're signing up for that using your school email. And if you don't know your school email, send me an email right away through your parents so that I can send you your account. And I originally would not have been using this program as much as we probably are going to start using due to the school suspensions, and so please go and do that right away. And then go ahead and click on the scavenger hunt. I've kind of adjusted this to what we're doing in class right now, and you need to make a copy of this page. And so to do that, here's my document. Go ahead, and when it says make a copy and fill in a document, you can't edit on this one because everyone else is able to use it. So go ahead and go to File, and you can do make a copy. And what that will do is it'll say copy of 3C Khan Academy scavenger hunt. Go ahead and just put your name. And so, for example, if your name, I'm going to just say Carl, go ahead and put Carl of 3C Khan Academy scavenger hunt. And then just push OK. And that will be your new document that you can directly edit and write on and do everything. And once you are finished, go ahead and click on share, and then you can go ahead and type Miss Yang's email address. It's just Yang K. You can find it in the database and then just send it to me, and then I will get the complete assignment. And if you're having trouble with that, again, just let me know. If you don't want to do this on the computer, you can print this out and just write it and then have your mom and dad take a picture and then send it to me or bring it to school on Wednesday, hopefully when I see you again. But I don't want to overwhelm you. I know that this online learning is kind of different and a little bit tricky, so I'm not giving you guys any more assignments other than making sure that you're getting your Khan Academy account there. For social studies, you should have already logged into BrainPop using Shakmoon as your username, and our password is new852. And if you go to the Droughts video, watch it, and then you should be pushing pause throughout the video in order to pull specific evidence and claim for that. Go ahead and do that. And then down here, I'm not sure if you guys have started doing this yet. Go ahead and start today. If you can, go to log, and if you click on that, it'll give you a graphic organizer. I'm just going to zoom in for you. And here, what you can do, print this out or go ahead and just download this and do it online. But if you print it out, you can write down how many times you and your family wash their hands each day, and then how many number of family members do you have, and then calculating how many gallons of water are you using each day, using the specific amount of gallons that correlate to the activity. And so this will be really helpful on Friday when we come back together. We can just analyze, wow, how much water is each family using, just to make it more personal to us. So that's for social studies. And then for Bible, again, nothing new added from Monday's homework. I did notice that some of you guys mentioned you didn't have a Bible at home, so I went ahead and I linked Bible Gateway to Luke 4:1-13. We're using the NIV version, so hopefully that will be helpful to you. Again, make a copy or print the following page and fill in the blanks with your learning. I hope that this is helpful for you, that you guys aren't overwhelmed. Just know that I'm praying for you guys. Please email me if you're stressed or if you're confused by anything. I'll try and be around my computer until maybe after dinner tonight. So I hope this is helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to email me anytime. Okay, bye, Gracie.